Without objection, the gentleman is recognized for 1 minute.
Madam Speaker, as Congress commemorates the 61st anniversary of the independence of Israel, I rise to express my deep concern that the future of this nation is gravely threatened by Iran's pursuit of nuclear weapons. Iran's radical regime only desires the demise of Israel and longs for regional dominance. It is now on the cusp of acquiring the weapons needed to potentially achieve both. Nations that value liberty and peace must stand strongly against Iran's dangerous behavior. The United States must confront this looming crisis with resolve and strength. I have co-sponsored the Iran Sanctions Enabling Act, which would significantly undermine Iran's lucrative energy sector. Congress should pass this legislation and show our steadfast support for Israel.
Gentleman yields back his time. For what purpose does the gentleman from California rise?